Hello dear students, we are studying the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. So far we have learned three features of the cell, right? So let us recall them quickly. Here you can see a cell wall. So this cell wall gives protection and shape to the plant cell. It is not there in the animal cell, right? So it is present only in plant cell. So let's go little inside this cell wall. Inside the cell wall we can see plasma membrane. So plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane which allows certain substances to move in and out of the cell. Right? So this is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Now let us see what is there inside this plasma membrane. Yes, inside this plasma membrane we can see cytoplasm. In this picture there is some yellow colored thing is there which is nothing but cytoplasm. It is a jelly like structure or material which gives platform for various cell organelles. Okay, so now let us see what is there inside this cytoplasm. Here you can see nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is very important for the cell, for the functioning of the cell, because this is the one who is going to control the various activities which is going inside the cell. We can call it as main head of the cell. So let us zoom this nucleus and let's see what is inside this nucleus. See, I have taken out the nucleus from the cell. In the previous slide you saw the cell, right? So this is a cell and I have taken only this portion, this blue portion outside. Okay, and we are looking inside this nucleus. Okay, see here, this is that blue ring, which is nothing but a nucleus. Okay, so this is the main head of the cell. Why? Because it is going to control all the activities which are taking place inside the cell. Okay, hence we call it as main head of the cell. In the last video we were saying that we were actually imagining a house with a cell, right? A house with a compound. The compound of the house is as a cell wall, and inside that is the doors, the walls with doors and windows as plasma membrane, and the floor of the house as cytoplasm, right? And in our house we have our parents, right? One or grandparents who are going to decide the who are going to take decisions, right? Main important decisions they are going to take, right? So in the same way, in a cell, the decisions, the whatever has to take place in the cell is decided by this nucleus. Okay, so we can compare as this nucleus with our parents or our